this is Harry Jai from Ask Communication. I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you which phone is booting faster. We have here iPhone 11 and iPhone 14. So let's see which phone can boot faster, the older one or the new one. The power button, they are the similar place here. Here we go, both of them. So let me press the power button to see which phone can boot faster. Here we go. iPhone 14 Apple logo appears faster. Let's see which one can boot faster. iPhone 14 is the clear winner. iPhone 11 is still taking time, but not so much slow. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unlock this phone and I'm gonna check any application is open or not. Will have impact on the performance. Here we go, many things is open. I close them and I shut it down here. This one I will do the same, iPhone 14. One more time, I change my hand, iPhone 11 at right hand, iPhone 14 at left hand. So let's see how they can react this time to get a sure winner. 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 14 is clear winner in this case. So new processor, new RAM is working faster as usual. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.